This video is about identifying and restoring the flexion relaxation phenomenon. In a healthy lumbar spine, the spinal erectors should relax during forward flexion. This flexion relaxation phenomenon usually occurs from mid to full flexion and therefore allows full flexion to occur. Patients with either acute back pain or persistent back pain often show a reduced or absent reflex reaction. This means they stay tight and struggle to flex through their lumbar spine, often maintaining a neutral or extended position. The first thing to do is identify if the patient is doing this, and this can be achieved by performing the Schober's test twice, once in a loaded position and once in an unloaded position. This will tell you if they are relaxing their lumbar erectors with a forward bend, and if not, do they have the structural ability to flex their lumbar spine when unloaded. So this will help you to identify if the limitation is structural or due to an absent muscle relaxation reflex. In terms of rehabilitation for the absent relaxation phenomenon, it's important to recognize that this can be perpetuated by a fear of flexion and poor advice. So educating the patient about the relaxation phenomenon and the need to flex their lumbar spine normally is a good start. Then begin with a progressive program of unloaded flexion, moving towards loaded flexion activities. You may find other passive modalities like massage and taping helpful adjuncts to improve lumbar flexion. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share this video.